In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to upload a document, add it to Xero, and get it ready to link to a transaction or record. Let's start from your Xero dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the company name you're currently working in. For this demonstration, we'll be using the demo company, which is a safe environment Xero provides, so you can practice without affecting real data. Go ahead and make sure you're in the demo company or in the company where you want to work. If you need to switch, just click the company name at the top and choose the appropriate organization from the list. Once you're in the right company, look for the Files option in the menu bar. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the main navigation or under a menu icon, but you're looking specifically for the section called Files. Click on Files to open the Xero file library. This is your central storage area where you can keep all kinds of documents like invoices, receipts, statements, or any supporting paperwork you need for your accounts. Inside the Files area, you'll see a section called the Files inbox. This is where new documents are first uploaded before you attach them to anything in Xero. To add a new document, click the option that says Upload to Files inbox. A file picker window from your computer will appear. From here, navigate to the folder on your device where your document is stored, select the file you want to upload, and confirm. Xero will upload that file and it will appear in your Files inbox list. Give it a moment if your internet connection is slow or if the file is large. Once the file appears in your inbox, you're ready to prepare it for use. On the left side of the file name, you'll see a small checkbox. Click on the checkbox beside the file you just uploaded. This tells Xero which file you want to work with, and you can select more than one if needed, but for now we'll focus on a single file. After selecting the file, look for the option that says Add to New. Click on Add to New to tell Xero you want to create a new item using this document. Xero will then give you choices such as creating a new bill, expense, or another